For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Ajay Pandita, a Congress Sarpanch from Kashmir Valley, was brutally murdered on June 8th. His cold-blooded murder brought back horrendous memories of Kashmiri Pandit genocide. Kapil Mishra's global campaign against the murder of Ajay Pandita saw participation of people from across the globe. From Africa to Chicago to London to India. Several Indians participated in the protest called by the BJP leader condemning the brutal killing of a Kashmiri Pandit in the valley. People protesting against the brutal killing of Ajay Pandita demanded justice for the bereaved family and also demanded to stop killing peace-loving Hindus. Many people, while voicing their opinion, used the hashtag Hindu Lives Matter too, stressing on the importance of saving Hindu lives. Many also requested the fellow humans to stay united against terror and put an end to this. Meanwhile, a protest was witnessed in Jammu city over Ajay Bharti's killing. Several shouted slogans of Ajay Bharti Amar Rahe and Jis Kashmir ko khoon se seecha, wo Kashmir hamara hai. The protest saw participation by many. People from the United Kingdom also joined the protest with "We stand in support with the family of Ajay Pandita" placard in their hands. While expressing their anguish, one of the Kashmiri Pandits said that they stand united against Islamic terrorism and terrorism which is going on for 32 years in the valley.
Hindus are united against terrorism, against Islamic terrorism and terrorism which is going on for last 32 years in Kashmir. Today, all Kashmiri Pandits around the world and with them Kashmiri Hindus all over the world are united, and we are not only condemning, we will expose Islamic terrorism.
Especially to the family of the slain. We just want to say that his sacrifice will not be forgotten. His service will not be forgotten.
From Houston, USA as well, several pundits got together to condemn the killing of Ajay Pandita and over the growing terrorism in Kashmir Valley. Kashmiri Pandits in Auckland, New Zealand also staged a protest supporting the Kashmiri Pandits while the world sleeps. Killing of Ajay Pandita brought back horrific memories of Kashmiri Pandits massacre in 1990. We hope Ajay Pandita's family gets justice.